So what we have here is our hand sanitizer production line.
We converted the room from PVP iodine production to hand sanitizer production in 3 short weeks. It involved a lot of equipment upgrades, making sure that the standard is met for bottling of alcohol products, a very highly flammable ethyl alcohol.
As it passes down the conveyor, it will go through a device that will remove all the static electricity from the bottle and blow it clean.
Initial is going to be around 200,000 bottles per week, with plans to increase that to 400,000 bottles per week within a 2-week period. We were setting up a production line to make hand sanitizer, but we needed to divert other products to other lines. We needed to make sure we had the right processes, validations in place to do that. And everybody's stepping forward. The sense of pride in being able to have a hand in helping in this situation, it's really, it makes me proud just to be able to work with these people every day.